welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today is day 11 of Vlogmas. So today we will be making shortbread cookies. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, make sure you hit that thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's jump in. So super quick before we jump into how I'm making shortbread cookies, I just wanted to say that I have posted this look. If you want to see how I did it, I will link it above for you. I am pre-filming today's video because I am spending the day at doctor's appointments. So I needed to make sure that I had content for you guys, even though I'm going to be out all day. So let's jump in. Yeah, note-taking clipboard, which was a bit of a gag gift. And then the latest one was the contour palette. So let's go ahead and have a look at what's in number 6. Nude by Nature. Let's open them up. So the pencil is in a soft pink, which is a really pretty color actually. Let's have a look. Ooh, that's a nice color. Actually, I think I have a Nude by Nature lip pencil. I don't know where I got it from, but that is beautiful. Let's just have a look. I'm pretty sure I do because that looks familiar. Yeah, I do. It's almost the same color. I've got shade Rose already. This is my other one. Let's pop him over here so I don't mix them up. So it's a bit darker. So I do have a Nude by Nature product already. So let's open up the lipstick as well. I definitely love this color more than the other one that I've got. I feel like as though the other one is like way too dark for my skin tone, whereas this one looks way nicer. I'm absolutely in awe of their packaging. Like, it is stunning. I really love it. So this one is in Dusky Nude. Ooh, she knows me well. Look at how pretty that is. Okay, let's pop it on here. Oh, that is stunning. Stunning color. Absolutely love it. Oh, I just want to like take these lipsticks off and pop these ones on. Oh, it's a magnetic closure. That is so cool. Ready? Small things amuse me. That is awesome. I'm super excited. So it just looks like this, Dusky Nude, if that's gonna focus, and the lip pencil. So that was a number 6 gift, so without that. So that is really, really good. I really love these colors. Let's grab number 7 and have a feel, and let's see if we can guess it again. Okay, this is number 7. It is just a very long, skinny box. I'm gonna say maybe a lip gloss. Yeah, it's definitely a box. There's something in it, but it's very long. Yeah, maybe a lip gloss to go with the lipstick and lip liner, maybe. Or could it be a mascara even? Yeah, it could be a mascara even. What do you guys think it is? A lip gloss or a mascara or something different? Could even be a gag gift, so who knows? Let me know down in the comments what you think it is and if you guessed today's correct. All right, back to past, future, Lottie. I can't even remember where I'm at. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!